to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I'm Ashanti Rashay, and welcome back to another one of my wig tutorial videos. So y'all, basically I will be reviewing this WestKiss wig. It's a 5x7 closure wig, and it's 22 inches, and honestly this is one of the best wigs I've ever had. And no, I'm not lying to y'all because they don't pay me for this. This wig was not promotional. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all the real, raw and uncut version of this wig. And honestly, I have nothing negative to say. Here, I'm just showing y'all a few of the items that I have received in the bag. All of these items were free. It came with the wig and of course the wig band that's on top of my head right now. And y'all are probably wondering why I'm gluing down my cap to my head if it's a glueless wig. I know. Honestly, I don't know why. I just did it. I feel like it would look better, and I didn't want my cap to be slipping back, even though it most likely wouldn't, but I don't know. That's just what made me feel comfortable in the moment. So once I take the wig band off, I just really clean around my forehead. Like I cut around the cap to make sure it's not too far, because honestly I did pull it all the way far, y'all. I overdid it so much. And honestly, next time I do a glueless wig video, I will not be gluing the cap to my head because this was very unnecessary, and I feel like it just feeds the purpose because it's a glueless wig, not a regular lace closure or whatever. But yes, I'm just cleaning around it. I'm kind of picking it up a little bit. It doesn't hurt, but it is glued all the way down. Like it's stuck there. It's not coming. It's not going nowhere. Yeah, that's something I don't have to worry about. So next, I'm just gonna add like a little bit of makeup. Honestly, in my opinion, I really didn't have to. Well, I just wanted to, but the cap is so transparent. This is that real transparent. Like the difference between this cap versus the one in the beauty supply store is this is actually HD, an HD cap. Honestly, I feel like this cap has helped out a lot simply because of how transparent it is, and also because of the lace, because the lace did come pre-plugged and very transparent. Like this is some good hair, y'all. Since this is a glueless wig, I did decide to just go ahead and spray it with some Got To Be glue spray. I didn't really put no hard glue on the lace. Like I didn't put no Ghost Bond glue on the lace. I just wanted to do like something simple, and then I did do band for an hour, of course. Y'all know that method. Now I'm just gonna add some mousse to my hair to give that wet look effect, even though the hair was already giving wet look. But yes, I just wanted to make sure it was like not so fluffy right now, because you know I wanted to style it in the end. Now right here, I had to give y'all the real and raw uncut on this wig. Like, do y'all see how HD and transparent that lace is? Like, this is a nice wig. And it didn't really cost that much, honestly. I think I spent probably like 150, 160. And for the density of this hair, I mean, it's not that long, but it's pretty good. It's really good. If you know me, you know I love me a good deep wave, any curly wig, loose wave, something cute. And if you also know me, you know I love doing this style on some curly hair because it's just so cute. But don't mind the side part, y'all. Like, you know, it's not no full lace closure. It's only a 5x7. So yeah, ignore the little black parts on the side. But yes, y'all, this is one of my favorite hairstyles. It's so simple and easy to do. I actually found this hairstyle on TikTok. So as you can see, I'm sectioning two parts, like two sections of my hair. I'm just going to twist these down, and I'm actually going to be slicking these two parts back so that way I can give that little slick effect. Well, you'll see what I'm talking about. Next, I'm gonna take half of my hair. I'm gonna kind of do like a half up, half down, and I'm just gonna put that top part in a ponytail. So yes, this is what I meant by slicking these two parts down. I'm going to take the brush after I put some mousse on there, and I'm just going to brush, you know, downward to make sure it's like looking straight. And then after that, I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tie those two together in the back. This is pretty much the ending of the hairstyle, y'all. Like, after I put the rubber band on and, you know, I finished slicking down, that's pretty much it. I just gotta finish, you know, the top part so I can complete that half up, half down effect. For this style, I always make sure I have my ponytail as high as I can get it because, like, I want to be able to add my claw clip in the back to give also that cute claw clip effect as well. If y'all know what I'm talking about. But yes, this is just how I like to do my hair. This is the end result, y'all. So I'm just going back and I'm just spraying some got to be spray, and I'm just cleaning it up, making sure that it looks as transparent as possible. I really be trying with these wigs, y'all, but I really hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, it's giving, you know, I always try to give it that melt look, but ignore the glue on the side of my head because I don't know why I didn't clean it up. But yes, that's the end of my video. I'll see y'all next time and stay pretty. Bye, y'all.